Hi, good day. My name is Trisha Jatan, and I am going to show you through the steps in creating Active Directory domain services on a Windows Server 2008. Okay, I had already installed my Windows Server 2008 and it's running on a Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, what I did is went to start. I'm gonna capture my mouse, going to start and open my server manager, which is open here. Under there, I'm going to choose the option rules, and the rules now I'm going to choose add rules. Right. So I'm going to check and see the set options there. Before you continue, must verify if the administrator account has a strong password, the network settings such as the static IP addresses are configured, the latest security updates on Windows Update are installed. Then I'll click next. And here you see a list, and I will click Active Directory Domain Services because that is what I want to install. Click next. Then I will read through the things to notice to help ensure that users can still log on to the network in case of a server outage. Install a minimum of 2 domain controllers for a domain. Active Directory Domain Services requires a DNS server to be installed on the network. If you do not have a DNS server installed, you will be prompted to install the DNS server rule on this server. After you install the DNS Active Directory Domain Service rule, use the Active Directory Domain Services installation wizard DStaper mode to make the server a fully functional domain controller. Installing the Active Directory Domain Service will also install the DFS namespace, DFS replication, and 5 replication services which are required by Active Directory services. Now I'll click next, and then I will click install and give the server a few minutes to install the Active Directory Domain Services. Pause it for a couple seconds. It's still installing, and you can see below here, you see the progress, how far it reached. Okay, it has finished install. Now you press close. And launch the I need to launch the Active Directory domain service promo.txt. Okay, I will configure refresh. No, I won't do that. Okay, well, you saw this wizard, but don't be scared. You see, no such little boxes and stuff. But we will go into the Active Directory domain service, and we're going to run the Active Directory domain service installation wizard, a DC promo, right? And this will come up. Then I will click next, and I'll read through this, all of this. You will read it through. You click next, then click create a new domain in a new forest. Click next, and you give the wizard a domain name that you're going to use. Example here, the show corp.con2so.com. I'm going to use my name, TRISHSHA dot local, and I will go and click next. As you see, this is checking and verifying a couple things, like this one is verifying the NetBIO. Now under the forest functional level, I will choose what level I want, and I will choose Windows Server 2008. And you'll see a warning come up of what you're going to do. You will be able to add only domain controllers that are running Windows Server 2008 or later to this first. Click next. And click yes, next again. And this window will pop up, but you click yes. And you leave the information as default, then click so